This is the first session that we have with all of you interesting people. We're going to be having a couple of different scenarios that will lead up to the now, because we're starting back in 2006 when all of this mist stuff happened, and all of the wonders of the world kind of shifted and changed. All of you are very interesting individuals in your own way. We have all of you that have chosen to know each other, thankfully, because that makes my life easy. And we're going to be starting with the first of 3 different modules that is going to get you up to the current day. This one is called Terrible Trolls. And basically what's going on is you all are holed up in Central Falls, the whole 2 blocks of it. You are the king of Central Falls, and you are the queen of Central Falls. You tried to be the queen of England. That didn't exactly work for you.
I was the queen of England. It was just for 3 days.
Right. So, you came to Central Falls because your money was actually real, and you bought it.
Mine.
Central Falls is also a haven for the altered, which are half men, half beasts. And we have a dragon altered who lost his memory, ironically. And he has decided to come and try to champion the altered to make sure that they're not going to get oppressed here. If there's anything you guys know, is that all of the different mystical things have started to come awake again. And, well, in Central Falls, there's one bridge. One kind of small bridge. And on that bridge, there's been a troll that's been picking up cars, throwing them about, generally loitering and trying to hurt the general populace of Central Falls. Now, of course, most people around really wouldn't give a crap about that, but the 2 of you do.
It's my bridge.
Yeah, you have to disturb the peace.
And
So,
loitering.
the police have decided that they're going to put out a reward. And the reward is going to be for, well, just trying to cleanse the troll menace from this bridge.
That means kill it.
I mean,
no, we could hire it. Too.
Or resolve it peacefully.
You got the money.
I'm not spending my money.
so this
Give me
troll is
security.
on the Broad Street Bridge, which is the, like I said, only bridge in Central Falls. So our story begins as all of you are coming to investigate. And I'd like you to at least tell a little bit about yourselves to each other so everybody will know what's going on. So let's start off with the Queen.
I'm Maeve Pro. I was from Ireland. Once the mist hit and I realized, I was awake and nobody else was, I moved to England and I took over. I wasn't able to without talking to a demon, making a little pact. He made me queen. And everyone woke up and kind of realized I wasn't, and there was a little bit of upset. So I moved with all my money to America in this tiny little place called Rhode Island, and I bought Central Falls. And it's been wonderful except for this troll.
And then the King.
Yeah, I came to. I don't know my own name. I came to this town and they all just started following me around. So I guess I'm the king.
And
I am Alan. I am an altered as well. I will be a cute little red panda who woke up. I had a medical profession beforehand. I woke up and I was useless physically. So I'm a sickly little dude who's trying to help other people. We'll see what happens from that. I don't know.
all right.
Have you seen him? He's tiny. Like, he's the smallest one in the whole party. If a normal human being will make him go running for the hills, he's probably not going to last long in this business.
All right. And then lastly,
Hi, my character is Maximilian Konager. I'm a Techno, and the overall gist for me is I'm trying to use my new abilities to save as many lives as possible.
all right, a hapless band of adventurers is walking up to the bridge in our fairly ramshackle way of trying to explain what's going on. Each of the squares are 5 feet. Your dexterity is how many squares that you can move. That is your speed in each round. So,
Are we missing someone?
We are.
Mr. Ben.
Did you not pick a character?
Ah.
Shut
So we're just gonna grab a random person from Mr. Ben over there.
Grab the
I was
unicorn.
gonna grab the unicorn.
Grab the
unicorn.
Grab the unicorn.
So today,
the unicorn?
Ben is going to be the unicorn. Excellent.
Wow.
I wouldn't
So-
have it any other way.
The four of you are walking up, and you'll see that there is a rather large troll on the bridge. He seems to be rather vigorously picking at himself and prizing what he pulls off. As he kind of notices the group of you coming towards him, he will gingerly pick up a car, hold it in his hand. Mind you, it doesn't look like it weighs anything to him. He's just kind of like lazying it about. And he'll call out, "Hey, you!
Hey, what's up?
Car! Huh?
I guess so.
That's what these are called, I heard.
Yeah, they're supposed to be down.
No! Great bashing weapon!
Not a weapon.
Everything a weapon!
I guess so.
And you don't want to kill him?
No.
Well, that's the kind of type of pragmatism
Oh.
I can get behind.
I don't want to kill anyone. I want money.
Then give us the bridge back.
Give him money.
I want money.
I'm not paying him for my property.
It's my bridge.
You can't just claim a bridge.
I just did.
I say we kill him.
I said we hire him.
Do you have the money to hire him?
No, you do.
I'm not paying someone to take care of my town. I pay other people for that.
Man, everyone was bagging on me for wanting to hire the trolls. You never underestimate good hired muscle.
Take care of just my bridge. You pay me, go over.
Every time.
People with woo like things, they came and they told me to leave, and they had these little cute things that made poppy sounds, and then I hit them with a car. Bullets,
Or they
Why do you
just
think
missed
of
him.
fire?
fire dice. He picks up another car, lobs it over to you guys. And unfortunately, the big dragon man does get a little bit of it.
Alright.
A massive explosion goes off in front of all of you,
That's fun.
and you'll take 5 points of damage.
Even when the fucking troll threw a car at me, he fucking sprayed my wrist.
Everybody else will get singed a little bit, but other than your hair, well, I mean, you have a lot more hair than most of them. See?
Why do I have to?
Weapon! Give me money!
So remind me again. Why is this our problem?
Do you
Because
like going anywhere outside of Cinema Falls?
I don't really care.
it's also the police didn't want to deal with it.
They probably tried, but just couldn't.
Who police?
The wee woo, those people.
Oh yeah, they called themselves that, I forgot. I just want money, and I stay here, and I make the bridge.
Do you know how to repair a bridge?
I know how to break bridge.
Great.
What are you even going to use the money for?
That's secret.
You don't know.
You don't know,
do
do you?
I know. It's secret. Secret.
you guys want to hire him, and he doesn't even know what he's doing. Do you think this is a
We have to
good...
get him off the bridge somehow. Or work with him.
Do you want taxpayers to pay for this?
So
I mean, if he protects him, sure.
We could have had this entire thing banged out in 5 minutes. I'm rich. Really expensive, a very, very dangerous sniper rifle. But apparently Evan doesn't think we should snipe the trolls. We should talk to them and recruit them. They're trolls. They're not gonna work for us. It's gonna ruin everything. We could have just sniped them. Would have taken 2 seconds. Could have gone to the next session, got a bunch of XP and won. But now we're here, fighting trolls and yelling at trolls and everything else.
do we want to figure out what he likes? That's because maybe he likes something cheap, and we can make him pay a large amount of money for it.
Money. I like money.
Yeah, you like money. Do you like food?
Food. Everything kind of food.
Yeah.
You food?
No. I skin, bone, fur. No, nothing else much. I promise.
Make a decent snack.
Oh no.
He big snack.
Yeah, buddy.
I'm not snacking.
Like a meal.
No.
You want to be friends with this guy?
I'll be behind here.
We didn't say anything about friends. Negotiations, sure.
Let's just give him chocolate coins and be done with it.
What chocolate?
Shiny gold! Shiny gold, nice!
Shiny gold.
Yeah!
Good.
Yeah.
It's not a bad idea.
God, if this works.
Chocolate coins?
We go
Gold?
get shiny gold.
coins. Yeah.
Gold coin.
Alright, so
I bring to. I can't tell where I bring.
under the
Secret.
bridge, right?
Yes, I will go under bridge and then come back.
We go get gold coins.
Okay, bye.
Good lord.
So unfortunately, all of you will go off to try and get gold coins somewhere. Where are you gonna try and check?
So
Candy
Candy
stores.
store.
Candy
Yeah,
We're
store.
gonna get
yes.
chocolate
You're in
coins.
Central Falls.
Just go.
There's one convenience store in Central Falls, but you can try to exit Central Falls, but
I can fly. I got the little person with me.
that's true. That's
Yeah.
true.
Is there some form of nondescript dollar store we can visit?
I mean, nondescript dollar stores are pretty much the bread and butter of this area. You do have Providence a little further back, although I would say that's the more seedy parts of Providence.
I was gonna say, we don't have to settle for chocolate. Just get like a bag of like the plastic ones.
Yeah.
It'll be
Hey, he
cheaper.
might bite check him though.
He'll also try to bite check the chocolate.
That's
one.
true.
I just say we distract him with the coins and then we kill him.
Again,
Do we know if trolls can swim?
There's no way that thing can swim. It's too big.
Why don't we just push him into the water?
I mean,
Let him go down the
T-Rexes can
water.
swim.
Go down the river.
I'm not touching
So you push him.
it. Yeah, you're the biggest.
You're the big guy, yeah.
I mean, I can try.
Thank you for volunteering.
Oh no.
We'll distract him with chocolate coins.
We're
We'll
all
get behind him
doomed.
and
We're all
push him.
gonna die.
This sounds like a great.
The GM
What about
says
you,
so.
Mr. Techno? What do you got? Ooh.
Oh,
Illion, so help me God.
That wasn't my fault.
Well, apparently there was some destruction while you were gone.
Well, at least it
then we
wasn't the
acquire
bridge.
chocolate coins.
Sure, you can go and acquire chocolate coins. You
Alright.
all have enough resources to do that at least. Even the mostly homeless ones.
Are you still on my shoulder? Or are you
Why are you looking at me? I'm
walking by
rich.
yourself?
Sure.
You want to push him? Yeah. You.
So how many
you
chocolate
go.
coins do you get?
Like a bag full. We got 2 bags. We're generous.
Those usually come in,
Okay,
like,
2
20.
big bagfuls. Got it,
Yeah.
got it. So you grab 2 big bagfuls and you bring them back. Who's going to go over to the troll? He's yet again happily flipping a car.
Who has the best diplomatic skills?
That's no.
I don't know.
Technically, it's probably me, but I just think we should kill him. So
Or you, Mr. Techno? Why'd you go talk to him?
What's your charisma?
oh, we're playing this game.
You're not gonna like this.
Say the Fuck, mine's 3. Does anyone
Yep.
else have a higher one? 1. What's yours?
Don't worry about it.
So that.
I'm a doctor. Doesn't mean you have to like me.
7.
Ha.
7.
7.
Oh, you're talking.
No, no, no. You're representing your region.
It is. You
Okay.
are the queen. This is your problem to
Okay,
handle.
but when you guys get in trouble later, you can't blame
You're
me.
the reigning monarch. You gotta.
Okay, we got this.
So it's very interesting actually running games for my wife. You have to kind of crap on her a little bit more than the rest of the players because otherwise people just think it's favoritism. So sorry, Kim, it's gotta suck.